Alright guys, so in this video I have a new key from Amazon that I purchased. As you can tell, it is not an original key. But compared to the $300 that it cost for this key, I thought I'd go ahead and purchase this key for $50 and see if I'm able to program it into my vehicle. Now, I'm not going to go through the whole process with you guys. I just want to see if it actually works, and if it does, I'll put everything in the description. So, there is one important thing to know about this, is that you actually need the PIN codes for the key in order to program them, and the only way to get that is to bring it to the dealer. So, it might cost you a $50 key, plus maybe $100, $150 to program it, but that's still quite a good savings compared to the $450 that it would cost to get it, buy the key from the dealer and program it from the dealer. So we're going to get started right now, and I'm going to turn off this light. So we're going to go immobilize our keys. Might help if I turn on my ignition. I might have to redo this. Nope. So we're going to go to Smart Key Code Saving. We're going to click on Smart Key Code Saving again. And for this one, well, you guys know I'm using my hotel. So it says right here, condition 1, I have to turn my ignition off. So I'm going to turn my ignition off now. I'm going to insert my key into the holder. And then I'm going to press OK. Now, it says that key is already learned, which is pretty odd. But we're going to go and input my PIN code, which is... And I just entered my PIN code, and now I'm going to press OK. Do you want to continue with the first key teaching? I'm going to press OK again. And first key teaching completed. Do you want to continue with the second key teaching? I'm going to press OK. I'm going to remove my key from the insertion point. I'm going to put in my original key, and I'm going to press the button. And second key teaching completed. So far, the key has worked. So now I'm going to press OK. And we're going to see, as you guys can see, this is the, I'll give you guys some more light, I guess. There we go. So this is the original key. So this is the, not the original, sorry. This is the key that I bought from, on Amazon. And I'm going to bring you guys up. So that's always a good sign. Now I'm going to take and I'm going to see if it actually starts the car. And in order to do that, I am going to take in my original key. And I got to put it at least 10 feet away from this one. So I'm just going to stick it on my girlfriend's car for right now, which is more than enough. We are going to come back in. And now we're going to see if it starts the car. And it started the car. So far, this $50 key is working like a charm. Now, I also have soft touch onto my handles and also onto my trunk. So what we're going to do at the same time is just take and verify that the soft touch and everything works. So now I'm going to turn it off. And the soft touch is also working, as you can tell. Now my door is locked. And we're going to test the back. Make sure that that works. Oh. And soft touch works there. So far everything is working with this key, which I'm actually very happy about because I didn't really feel like buying a $300 key. So now we can go back in. So we have soft touch that works, and it starts the car. It unlocks all my doors, and everything works the way it's supposed to with it. So I can't really get much better than that for a $50 key. Now the company that made this key is on Amazon. I'll put links in the description for whoever wants it. And here is the company, Auto Key Max. Their telephone number is there if ever you guys want to get a hold of them. And I'll be leaving a 5-star review for these guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and if you did, please like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys next time.